This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Cuts Entertainment Report podcast. And today we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, when you speak to any of these artists from the 90s, this man's name come up 90% of the time. This man here is your favorite artist. You know we have in the building today, we have Ninja Kid in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Big respect, Ninja Kid in the building. I don't know my day. I give thanks to life. Life the most precious thing. Yeah, and you don't know. Step on the ground. You understand? Right now, I'm there home. You know, I'm a house for my veranda right now. Soon touch the road. Yeah.
You understand. Thank you so very much for coming through to the Entertainment Report podcast today.
Yeah, respect. And thank you very much too. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Because as I said, when you speak to 90%, even 95% of anybody from the 90s come up, your name always comes up. So we're going to try to figure out, why does Ninja Kid's name always come up, all right?
Yeah, it's not going to come up. It's not going to come up. It's a man to them on the white line in the road. Well, me at the road then. So my name have to come up.
I hear you 100%. All right. On this program here, we like to take it right from the beginning and then bring it right to 2021.
Yeah.
So my first question for you is this.
Okay.
What part of Jamaica did you grow up in? And what was your attraction to music in the first place?
All right. I grew up in Nannyville. That's on Mountain View. But I'm born in Almantown, but I grew up in Nannyville and Pienland. Them two places there, you know? From Nannyville to Pienland, from Pienland to Nannyville. Mm-hmm. And what attracted me to music was back in the days when the first time really it's a performance, I was about 10 when I went to a place named Balaclava, where my father and mother come from, you know? And when we down there with my uncle, like some rubber duck thing that go on up in the hill, and we screech, me and my brother screech up and go up because say Brigadier Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, and a bad DJ when named Yellow Man. Mm-hmm. Them time they him there even burst it in the bus yet.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah, Yellow Man the bus yet. Mm-hmm. And when we come back at home, I tell my father, say, yo, and DJ name Yellow Man name bad. But my father is a more reggae man, because my father and Bob Marley, them are friends, you know. You understand?
I seen that. We're going to get into that. I seen that.
Yeah, you know. So, when me I tell him about Yellow Man, I say, one top your foolishness here, man. Bob Marley, them and them one day, if you all listen to and right. Anyway, you know. I grew up, I just love DJ business from them time there. I love the music and thing. All at school, me I beat that and DJ. I could DJ every song when I hear from the radio. Every single DJ song when I hear, I could DJ line to line. I catch something there quick till I build one lyrics. I can't remember the lyrics there. But I build one lyrics and me have me. Anytime I DJ at school, the place smash up. You understand? Then time me about 11, 13. You know what I say? Love it, you know? Yeah. And then from that I just straight schoolwork and play a ball. I never take on to the music as yet. I love it. But I'm mostly ball, me I deal with, mostly football. I'm bad little football in my days.
Okay.
Yeah, play for a couple side well in a President Cup, minor league, and Red Label. Red Label must stop play ball. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you'd say ball was your first love and then music, or they were both at the same time?
Well, it's a ball, you know. and then music. Ball. They love ball. They love play football. Love play soccer. Soccer what them call it, but we call it football. Yeah. Yeah, so they love play ball. I play volley for ball, I play. Play for my school. Play for Ligane. I play for Nannyville. I play for Swallowfield. When I time they are Cavaliers, when I time they are Santos. I play volley for ball, man.
Okay, so then how come you decided to pursue music opposed to pursuing ball more professionally?
All right. I can give you a good story upon that now. I go play a match at stadium. Ligane versus Barbican. Anyway, I'm on suspension because me and one of the ball of them fight. The coach put them on suspension. But anyway, I still got a match and him say, change, put on your gears. I put on the gears and I sit down on the bench. I'm dead up on the bench. Anyway, match I go on under 3-2 in an extra time. And him go to and look for me and say, Wham! And I start Wham, because I never go play again, you know. Because it's vexed because a long time Wham go on. And Wham, I says, I warm up and say, yo, I make the change and I run on. My brother got some boom and get a ball, him name Zeke, and him go down the wing and go some boom and square it, and when him square it, I dive in that and score it. And the whole stadium mash up. And I start beat my chest and say, yeah. Anyway, the dive, me get all that cherry. You understand? Scrape up. I scrape up now, and then I'm going a penalty shooting, and we're losing a penalty shooting because the coach don't even give me a penalty for take, so we lose. And then when I come home now, reaching a Nannyville now, I see my brother in Skeng. His name Skeng. So Skeng I say, yo, I love you for low ball game and come DJ because look how you're bad. Because them time they used to mash up some show in a Nannyville and about the place, but you know, some people we just DJ up on the corner and mash up the place. You know what I say? So he must say, yo, I love you for low ball game and come DJ. Anyway, I say, yeah man, that can go on, yes. Go home. You see that night me go home, my dream, see me and him a mash up a show.
Crazy.
I mash up a stage show, me I say, what kind of dream this? Anyway, the next day I see me say, yo, you know, so my dream say me and mash up a show. I must say, you see it? Tell us, say, DJ for come DJ, you know. Boom, anyway, we start link together now and we start write some lyrics. I write some lyrics. Me name Juki them call me. That's my yard name. And in name Skeng.
Yeah.
So we start write some lyrics together, you know. Some would I say like Ghost and Culture because Ghost and Culture was before. You understand? Yeah, so we start write some lyrics together. Anyway, we used to rehearse. I mean I tell you, say, you see the staging system where you see come on most of the show them like sing and them thing there. In a Nannyville them thing there, they write one at the back. The back right Excelsior. You see Excelsior High School there? Yeah, right, that's it there, the staging system. So we used to go around there some hours a night, like we say, yo, 10 o'clock our rehearsal time. So me and him alone around there, a DJ, and go on like people in front of me when time. Nobody even beard up here a DJ for them time there. That's a DJ, and we are mash up the place. We are boss the place. Nobody can tell me we are boss the place. Then everybody write some bad lyrics. I mean, I say, he would have said, Juki, you're ugly. And I say, Sken, you're ugly too. You know what I say? Yeah. And we build some song like, we teach a chill a load of girl them from Shabba and issue them to every entertainer. Them lyrics there and a crocus bag of gun we take from Ninja. You know? And issue to entertainer. Me have a song with them Tight Italy. I'm a build it too. So me DJ that single him have one name Woman Prejudice, in the color Prejudice. You know, so we put them things together and we say anytime we take anytime we go to some show, we are gonna mash up the place. And then we start touching road together. We are touching road, but we don't have no name.
Yeah.
Because Juki and Skeng, come on. Juki, my father nobody like when nobody call me Juki. Because Juki is a bad man name. Trinity brother did name. So that him said. Police Trinity and the police Trinity kill him on a better too. Me hear. That's what I heard. Anyway, moving on. Skeng, he don't have Skeng done already. So him can't come name Skeng in the business. So we need a name. We need a name together. Anyway, Sting did come up, Shabba Ranks and Ninja Man got clash. And I say, here what? Shabba Ranks are my DJ now. Ninja Man a fiend DJ.
Yeah.
So we say, any one of them win. And so we are going to name ourselves. It ended up that I water run out of my eye because them kill Shabba Ranks, Ninja Man win the class. So we name Ninja Kids.
Just like that.
Ninja Kids, just like that. I water run out of my eye same way every day. But that class because Shabba my DJ. I love Shabba Ranks. Yo, baddest thing. Anyway.
For sure.
Anyway, I'm name Ninja Kids now. Ninja Kids now start take on the street. Little Lenny, I'm a general, I live right in Vineyard Town there, so. I'm always give me influence and say, oh, I'm too now, I go bust now, I run the play. Every show we go mash up. Everywhere we go mash up. One time we got PC Mayfair and Ghost, who they and I said, Ghost, all right, me I call you now. Yes, when the Ghost call we on, I would chat to them say, woman prejudice, I would not color prejudice. Ninja Teeth. We is a boy, we will get anything. Browning, blackening, or even whitening from we know we not climb up and I'm a and the whole case team here lift up. All right, the way the forward big and bam. It come like me here on a bomb drop.
And what year are we speaking about here?
This for 89, 90. 89 going into 90. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
PSP Mayfair. Little Lenny match up the world show, because you know it's a team school. She a bit, you know what I say? Yeah. And Ghost and mash it up too. But when we do that and DJ that tune then now, and Ghost goes and come in and say, no man, it's not too bad. And sing one song. When Ghost and sing the song called Touch Ninja Teeth. End up name Ninja Teeth now, touch him. And say, yo, I'm a good man, come on for a stage now. I was like, oh God, we don't get with this, you know? Yeah. And I said, you know, man take me out for the stage. Anyway, the stage of boom. I said, all right, out the rock. Everywhere in the east, west, anywhere we go, we just have mash up the show, people. Everywhere we go, we mash up the show. We got Seaview one night, a big concert there at Seaview, and then got a boom and send to away. You see them send to away? We perform about, say about 10 artists up on the show. We perform about second to last. And me I tell you to the way over this try the show, we mash up the show, mash everything. And Stoter man, bust a SLR out there to the way how we mash up inside there. And when we done perform and come up, near them a call and them a say, yo, the biggest artist in a CV will come now. And I say, who are the biggest artists down here? I want to see this. Because Shabba, me know the biggest artist. Near them say, on stage, we're not ready for him. Bounty Hunter. And the man walk out. He said, the man walk out, the man said, run, Granisa. See, Granny. Granisa is a girl we clean up over, so go. And the whole TV does sing with him, so. And then I said, no, that boy in bad. Yo, Ninja Teeth in bad. That me I tell, that time I have a Skeng, that boy in bad when he Ninja Teeth. That's a Skeng in bad. And then shell it. And we're there. Anyway, we're there, and then I say, all right, the show is over, but what do you say? Do you want to hear more? And them say, yeah, Ninja Kids. I say, Ninja Kids again? I will run and back up there and we'll mash up. Them time there, we're full of joke, we're full of comedy, we're full of style. You understand? Boom. match up Seaview. We all sleep at Seaview that night. We don't even bother come home and Nannyville. That we are all match up down the people that say, yeah, wanna stay with the liquor. And we did it till the next day. We'll come home. Yeah. And them time now, everywhere we go, we match up the place. And if you have some DJ in our east, like I'm gonna tell you the East DJ, then you have Delirance, you have Screw, Little then you have a big man out there. You have a DJ man. Jolly Ranks. I say him name? Yes, Jolly Ranks. Him have a song, them time them have a song was say Dembo, them. I mean I say, yo, that song that bad. But anyway, something go on with that song because my DJ do that song and it hits around the world place. You understand? Yeah. Jolly Ranks now, and the whole of them start plan up now to kill Ninja Kids. Because Ninja Kids is taking over the whole of East. Anyway, them keep a show a top range that are in front of Nannyville. And them come up there. And them say them come for slaughter Ninja Kids. Anyway, them go perform first. Me not see no forward. And the first, as we walk out, and as me open my mouth and say, Smaddy, I got dead in you now. The whole place, all gunshots start, bust everything. And Ninja Teeth, I shoot them over here, Sammy, I shoot them over here, so. Bam again, it keep a Nannyville now with the MP, Mr. Easton Douglas, and the one of them come to say who Ninja Kids, because everybody has a Ninja Kids, them around the whole place. And Easton Douglas there, and you have some like that DJ in a Nannyville now. I can't remember them name. One name Cutty, one name Splackety. Boy, when we talk them together, people wouldn't believe some remember them something. You know. All of them sit down and plan out kill Ninja Kids, and them think them about DJ, them know about DJ, and them sit down on corner and them build them lyrics. Big show night. The man them never know for ride a rhythm. Rhythm put on, the man them a drop off. Let's go up there and say, let's go up there and say, I'm not forget Bill lyrics. I say, I can't ride with him. I don't know for DJ. And the whole scheme just smash up and you know. Can't they not do all for DJ does tell a DJ teeth just laugh. And I say, yo, I want to them man, I don't know about DJ business. Anyway, seeing them thing they know, I go through them days they know, Barman. We need to start go to studio now.
All right.
You understand? Because we are doing a whole heap of show. Artists are still in, but we're not going to studio. So that now are the serious part right now. Studio now. There, Ian Sweetness. I one of them man them say, yo, DJ, if you start come on studio now. So I say, we studio? I said, don't at Arrows. Anyway, me and Ninja Teeth go at Arrows. Ian Sweetness is a man where I say, yo, one space left in my car, you know, and you alone me can carry, you know. You understand? And I said, Jano, Teeth, one will let me soon come. And and carry me, go up a penthouse. And with him, he might record a song. Anyway, he might record it for George them from Firehouse. See? And George look on him and say, who the youth here? And he might say, yeah man, I'm a DJ man, his name Ninja Kid man. And then I say, yeah, two of me, always I tell him, say, two of we, you know. But man say, no one of you me say, you can't DJ. And I say, I mean if I can't DJ, what that? And him go say, boom and give me a rhythm. I play the rhythm and him say, build a tune for that. But I don't have time for build a tune where me dying for voice. I sang with them body basic. I just fit body basic on it. Anyway, even say you find something, I say, yeah. I say, all right, go around my studio. I'm going to go say, boom, man, go in there. I want new lick. Where you report the market say, and I take it name again, it name body basic. New lick. Them time me a DJ like Ninja Man them. You know me I say, body basic. 2 pound of fluff in it, body basic. You look sexy in it. And it's record. My voice the first song. I go
For
when my
for
reach like a
Firehouse.
arrows teeth. For Firehouse.
For Firehouse. Got it.
When I reach back Firehouse, yeah, George, Firehouse. George from Firehouse. He played the drum in a Firehouse band. Named George, yeah. I think he's Bulby brother too. Yeah. Anyway, because a woman voice that for George now. Reach back at arrows teeth not dead. I say, Ian drop me a Nanneville. Say, drop me a Nanneville. Anyway, I tell him, say, I record that song. I say, lie, yeah, I tell him, I say, yeah, man, I record it. Yo, you make them know, say, the two of we right. And I say, yeah, man, don't worry about it, man. Ninja kids, I tell them to put on it. Anyway, we're there. Ian Sweetness get fresh. But me I say, me nah left teeth. He may go carry me, but me say, me nah left teeth. So me and teeth jump on a bus from Nanneville to Arthur from Arthur to 3 Mile. I reach at 3 Mile, I wait upon something for come cross Portmore. Can't see nothing now come cross Portmore, so we start walk. We walk from 3 Mile, go up a Fort Clarence, you know. Me and him, you know.
Yeah.
I know, so when the man reach a Fort Clarence, you know what the man say? Yo, me a we try to go at the gate and them now let we. The man say, man, turn back.
No.
I said, turn back. And we reach here, so. Man say, yo, Virgin, I'm in a business, you know. Yeah, turn back and him start walk, go up the road back. And I said, that big crowd there. And the man gone. Yo, me now turn back, you know. Me dead. When me look, me say, ladies, sir.
Okay.
Two me always in the street and in the road, them know me. So I say, sir. And she said, come and put me in front of her. I'm going at the show. Now show you all, may I tell you this, them thing are real something will happen. You know. So I put me in front of her, I'm reaching at the show, I'm reach backstage. Yes, when I reach backstage, just in time, to hear Baldwin, I said to Louise, say, who next? And Louise said, who next? I said, Ninja Kid. And Louise said, Ninja Kid. You're gonna think a joke. It's like a reflex.
And you were not booked. You guys were not booked for the show.
Me no book. I look. Me go look. You understand? And me hear Louise say, Ninja Kid, and Baldwin say, well, you don't know we have the father? So, are you ready for the son? Welcome to you on stage, Ninja Kid. And I walk out. And when they say, pam, pilling, Ninja Kid come again. Where is that problem? Hey, I want new lick. When you rip up the market and I tell you the again, your body not show on the left. Them show the song never released or nothing, but the way how me a DJ and I go on the whole place so some mash up. And I say, hold on. Wanna think of that alone? I'm gonna say, yo, you see the trailer load that girl where Shabba have them off. Me thief them from Shabba and cheer them off. Me escape from Shabba and the sign of the dust and get the girls them and share them up. The first girl me give to little Lenny. When little Lenny get the girl inside, sing to she have the gold in a bag, she and not so on the left. You know them time there and Ninja Man this me a Ninja Man in it. Me just cause I drop the mic and run off. And Baldwin take it up and say, what do you say? Them say more. The whole crowd, and my head starts swelling now. And I say, what is going on now? You know, everything that's happening, man. And then
And this time, Pete is gone about his business.
And they say more. Teeth gone. I'm going to say teeth though, gone. I'm going to go some woman, I run on back and say, hold on. The next girl me get to the one Capleton, when Capleton get the girl start sing this and some girl wicked in a bed and they put on and the whole place again and me go say shut off, drop the mic and shut. Me get call on 10 times afresh. 10 times. Cause when me done with the girl part, me say, you see the gun them on my teeth from Ninja, me start give it to every entertainer. And you swear me say, the first gun me give to the one Shabba ranks, when Shabba get the gun, him start sing this song. I love all of the gun them. Me say no show no left. When them depart more, it's our next artist them have to call because me just coming out of the business and it's 10 times me run up on that stage. 10
something
time.
you're not booked for. And this
Something
time you don't really have no name.
I don't have no name, I don't have no song, I just Ninja Kid. Nothing at all, me not have. You understand me? I'm show you why even better. When me come off of the stage now, the promoter, country, and Beenie, them say, what the little you, they were just mash up a place and them just seen there. And him goes to come here and carry me in it was like a truck back. And in the so them a share, them a deal with the money part of it. And the man give me $1,000, be $100 bill. So when him give me it now, I said, gee, how this a go on in my life? I mean, me never, me I said, give me $1,000. I'm wrap it up and put it in my pocket. So I reach, and ladies, she hug me up, she do everything. She said, why? I just hear there, yeah. I'm going to say, Ian Sweetness, them, the man then here. Baby when come mash it up. Baby when they just get hot, you know. Baby when they mash it up. Penny Irie, mash it up. Come stand up and watch a couple artists and then I reach home now. I reach back and I say, Teeth, I mash up the whole afresh. Man say, I lie, you tell man. I say, listen to me. Me mash up the whole. I forgot to tell you, I got interview backstage. With Star. Star, yeah, Star interview me backstage and ask me some little question and I tell them I come from her. I say, all right, you know believe? Looking at Star tomorrow. Me just hope still, because they rare.
Yeah.
The Star come out tomorrow and I was really in the Star. Me don't even know so them take picture of me.
Okay.
And him see it and him say, John, me big so me go with Star. Me I say, my youth, from where I do this thing out with Afi, do it seriously. You understand? Because me want boss. Believe me want the way all me say me get for coming at this and things just are cause to happen to me, so me want boss. You understand? Anyway, now we're moving on. Moving on now, I stay so now one day and there on my studio over there. Nothing now go on. I say, here what? I go up a penthouse. So me and Sabatooth, them time them name Slangdon. Slangdon was a part of our link to, you know, because Nannyville him come from and Sabatooth, yeah, he was a part of our link to. And no time call him man on some show. So every time I call him on the one teeth, jump off at the stage, because him say, yo, okay, I want to tell you. I see them I go back clean. You know, because he's a man, he's a sample you still, but you don't know about virgin. Teeth always jump off left him, and I said, don't jump off left the man, hold it out to the man. Because our virgin too, you understand? Sure. Anyway, we go to now, man. One day, me and Saba now go up a penthouse. Well, they know me, you understand? Letwin and up a penthouse, you have two studios, you have penthouse over here, and you have music work over here. And then I go up a penthouse, shocking vibes up there work. So I come down back downstairs and go over music work. I go over music work and sit down. Dave Kelly was in the studio.
Okay.
Mixing some songs. See? Anyway, I did there that if he want anything, I will run go buy it for him. Because I know him like that, you know? Yeah. Anyway, I sit down in there. And then my mix already go "Pululululum, pululululum, tum, tum, tum. Pululululum, pululululum, pum." And then my mix a Wayne Wonder. And then I said that song left bad. And then I did it. Hear him push up a tune named Flicks. Time to have sex. The girl like you are the rude boy. That's a cabra. And I said, blow, whoa. Because the first me I hear that souls type of thing, that music I got changed. You know? The first me I hear them something there. Anyway, in there, and then me and push up on the king, my DJ, Shabba. She have the grip and the muscle and can't box shuffle anyway. And then I have to come back to you. Grip and the muscle. And I said, blow out already, me I go run the place. Anyway, I said, I go buy something. I said, I see him come out and stretch. And I said, boy, I have the baddest tune for mix here now. And I said, I didn't wish tune can bother them one I'm just here. That me I said to myself, you know. Yeah. And me only hear when him go some push up on song with one voice I go. World is in trouble anytime. Get up and run. I gun son. You know, crow. It's like boom. When that play, brother, me ears jump boss. Me say, geez, music done. My God. What kind of bad tune this? And me I listen to the song and listen to the song. Remember, you know, all this time Sabbath downstairs, you know what I go on, you know. Yeah. And then they've done, I'm come out, I say, me come on and walk, I go home, me and Sabbath walk, I go home. We go to Crossroad and we go to camp, because we got jump camp while to come back and me yard. Meanwhile, me and walk, you know, all me depend, you know. I sing, you know, boom, bye, bye, na, na, na. Na 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 na. Oh my. Till me just start say boom bye bye between the girl them legs. So we boss the juice so the girl them are big. Me just start that just start come out of my mouth, you know. Yeah, that's
this is all. So the song didn't even bust. You just heard it in the studio and you caught it from there and it's stuck in your mind, and then you started to work it from there.
It's stuck in my mind. Me just start singing in a walk, I go home and I sing it. But I never know it would be a problem doing that song because remember little Lenny, she ever got a baggy enough man to me have this. Admiral Bailey say, give me punani one. Risco Benny say, give me the money. You know? So me never know say if me them that's a copy or pirate, me never know it would be a problem doing that song. Although it never was a problem still. But we are get to that. Zine. Anyway, I got some woman reach at Nannyville now and I said, Keith, me have the baddest song. And I said, let me hear it. Yeah. And I said, it's like boom bye bye between the girl them legs. So we boss the juice, so the girl them are big. Boom bye bye between the girl them legs. So we I said, yeah, but I said, it's like me make girl hug up and I kiss up and I love up in a bed. Kakaro, I ain't sing me third leg. Next you know what we are on the whole place. Remember, I don't tell no man say I hear that song, you know.
Yeah.
I don't tell nobody I hear Buju song or nothing. You understand? So we want a second verse now. So him now say, all right, me I build the second verse. I say, all right, build it. I'm go so. Imagine you have a naked girl in your bed. Trust me, every time I hear. Stand up, this is Ninja Teeth building this, you know. Zine. And you're thinking that you might be go sink your third leg. So you think that's how you do. You sink your third leg. And you start on over like any skull egg. And so ever turn your find your body it. Do you mash up our bunoni and broke down the bed. Booyaka, booyaka to Joe say that. And that's why big girl them legs. So we boss it. And I say, yo, this must boss way. Then, anyway, I go check later. Arrows and so later I find it, you know. And later I say, let me hear it.
Yeah.
And DJ pan Bam Bam rhythm. In a pan dub plate for a sound named Blackstone. Bam bam
Yeah.
boom 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 bye busy. Yeah. And then time they bleach. I've now the song they don't play. They might bleach. So my DJ pan that no pan a dub plate for Blackstone. Anyway, him name Rassarella now, him name Pastor them time there. Him and Weber used to play about Blackstone.
Okay.
So the man got a boomer and play the song and come check me the next day and say, yo, I play the song in a one party, I've been here town in the whole place turn over, you know. Me say, what? Yeah, come up there when me say I like him, I say, yo, Friday man, I'm gonna go up to the Friday. When them put on the song, believe me, the whole dance like a big yard. Just a mash up on that. I say, Jesus, what is this look near? Anyway, Weber said to me the night, say, yo, me go want you do it for me, for Metro Media. See, but me have a rhythm for you do it for. See, do it for the mad dog.
Yes.
When me do it on the rhythm there for Weber now, Weber goes a boom and play it down a GP back there, so. On there, so. Really, yeah, the link there. Down there, so, down a south side there, so. And me I tell you, me down there, about 3 times it play. Pull up, and me I say, blow, whoa, this look good. All this time, you know, Buju song not released yet.
Okay, I see what's going on here.
All this time. So, me know say I hear the song. Me know I'm supposed to hear the song. Because here when the song get big now, me sit down at Arrows one day and see this white Talia brother coming in the studio and I talk about, yo, who name jacket? And Shelter Rock say, see him there? And say, come here. You know me? I say, no. It's a Minnie and Rory from Stone Love. You sing that song there? And I say, yeah. Man say, you need to voice it to me. I say, you need to give me $3,000. The man will come and say, I'm not giving you $1. I am like the radio station of music. It's busting like a bus now. And I say, as bad as it be, I take off 5, give me 2.5. The man said, I want to him. Well, him not give me the money. Where you think me do? I just walk out of the studio. When me what I do, a major mackerel, me say, come and grab me in my neck. Yeah, idiot boy. I want to hear him and say, see, I Stone Love that. Go in the studio, go sing the song. And I say, mackerel, I want him, them not have money, them not can pay me. Man say, no look for the money, go and go sing the song. Go in there. And the baddest never do the dub. Because may I tell you, Stone Love are the baddest may ever do the dub. He said me don't sing it, him say him have dance at camp. If I come at camp. He said me go at camp and the man say, hear the intro. The man say, anybody don't make nice for this song. That means that song ain't not bad. That's the intro he said. And then play the song. And so when you play the song, the whole place, and the man say, one more time. Drop it again. And a more light, more nice and beer thing. And the man say, one more time again. And then drop it again. When he drop it again, it's a match up place. The man say, Selector! So you know it's the tune now. Me now in the dance, me in the dance, jump up so. Jump up and ghost goes and grab on for me and say, no, hold it, don't make nobody see say you get excited, hold it. I'm gonna say, all right, and calm down. The song play about 5 times and I said, no, I'm a boss now to blow weebles. Anyway, one day now, me in the studio, Them time now the song release now. Buju song drop now cause it depend like let me just say it not release, it does depend. Well let me say that that's
Pre-release.
promo. Pre-release. That's the word I'm looking for. The Buju song upon pre-release and release now and the two songs them are play. You know? One day me in the studio deep and dub now. Inside of the studio, but me not too pre-out the door, But remember the studio, a glass right there, so you can't see around that stuff. Anyway, me did there and see a man that's got some look around, so. And say, I can't believe it. So when him say that now, me got some stop. Remember straight to plate them double going on, so me stop. And we could talking and going out, so me stop and come out and I say, my you. Them time music up a penthouse is a man I used to dead with and anything you want, I get it for him and them thing. They understand? Yes.
Okay, so he's seen you wrong. He's seen you wrong and he knew basically who you were, but he didn't know you were the one DJ in this tune.
No, who did yeah. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So like he was upset. I'm upset.
Yeah.
I'm upset and I say, yo, Ray, and want nobody lean upon him fence and them thing and but me never have it that way there. I say, yo, as we said earlier, man, DJ, I see a melody. You understand? So me never know it would be a problem. Anyway, moving on, all of that done and come and cool off and thing. And moving on now, Weepo now call me and say, record the song for him. Yeah, I record the song for Weepo now. Record that song Boom Bye Bye for Weepo, and Weepo got some boom and say, you need to give me another song in. And I say, say you have one rhythm from my youth, my love. Yeah, before me even bust me like that rhythm, but I always hear you play with a Shabba name. Shabba do a tune say, so long time to love I want them. And I go like, she want the cocky with the rim, one way I swing. And I say, I like that rhythm there, you can't rise it. I make my voice a tune upon it and them say, yeah man. Anyway, I rise the rhythm. And because a boom and get it and I build a tune feed. Anyway, the time I mega voice now, me, Power Man, Harry Toddler, Further Nairi. 4 run a Scorpio that day there. They there right, I build a tune. Anyway, I did now and remember Terra left on the bridge into because Terra sit down with the arrows more time and Terra build some whole heap of song, Terra have a song with name Searching for Something Tall and Black. Big and long with 2 bars and that. Directly a company and said me and them are do it in a combination. She want the T-lash. T-lash. Anyway, it ended up that he voice it by himself. Voice it by himself, never bother voice it combination, and then he voice a tune and say, requested Mark 10, But I love that melody. So I have that melody then one. The rhythm I run now. I'm say, gal no stop, request a long thing for pushing on them system. Oh, me attack, Paulette and Jacqueline. Yeah. Search on them, find the thing that is black. Wanted by Susan, wanted by Pat. Bam, voice it. Poor man goes on a boom and go on and say, but she name is Kilangberry. When she booked me up, she was only a stray. Harry Toddler. And say, skin out the girl, them skin them out, panding. The Ramaka the girl, them leg again. So the whole night, the night was so vibes, every song bad. Yeah. Shabba now with me carry. I said, Paul, voice in man says, I'm Paul. Say, all right, from my you say so. I'm like, you want the good, good. Anyway, work. Put an Irie. Sign off. You know, remember all the two never voice that night there. Anyway, the mix, drop a road. One day me and Power drive, and we stop up at Aquarius and I say, yo, how the song them are going? And them I say, boy, look no.
Mhm.
Like the shelf is like this, remember, you know, them get this amount of song,
Mhm.
45. So we reach out there, request a lot of things to your son, done. And Power the boy. Always like, Power man, I say, Power, so oh your song now, so I request a lot of the people that buy it here. I want to tell man, I want to tell. What? You knew. You must say you knew. But poor man, poor. Me never give a left job at the car. Boy, I wait for something. Poor man,
Where's
I'm be able
Stinger?
to.
Where
Man, I'm a
is
father.
where's
Huh?
Ninja T? Why all of this is happening? Where's Ninja T?
Ninja T, I'm going to tell you how him stay.
Mhm.
Him there at Arrows or him there at Nannyville with him fat girl.
Mhm.
Delirax not tell you no. Delirax tell you.
Yeah.
When you have a voice, a song, either Ninja T belly are hurting
Mhm.
or him tired or him there with him girl there. And when you go say Booba voice this song, yeah, the first thing you ask her, so you not get the money. And say,
Mhm.
yeah. I, I just give my thing and him good. You
Mhm.
understand? But it's a man who love the music, so I not go around and I'm a G
Mhm.
that.
Yeah.
I'm a G that. That is my G. My
Mhm.
brethren for life.
Mhm.
Yeah, but all of them time, yeah, in the,
Yeah.
they're somewhere else. You
Okay, so then
understand?
tell me how you think the connection with Power Man and Baby Wayne, how that came along, and then we're gonna go back into the Stone Love Panani there.
All right. Ian Sweetness was the one because the poor man baby and Ian Sweetness. The three of them left them one another in
Mhm.
the double world. Cause them time they cause I don't play my song bus off I mean bus off on a 45,
For sure, boss.
Don't play but them man they are 45 man. Cause Ian
Mhm.
Sweetness, it's my first real love. Them man they, and if you hear Stone Love playing down the road on the cherry or baby rhythm,
Mhm.
you gotta show a little kindness. And poor man, them stone,
Mhm.
them and poor full of song. Cause them say, me never know say is a liquor youth. Cause when me hear about poor man, I think I want big man.
Yeah.
And when me see the liquor youth, I do them song there. And I say, you do them bad song there. Mood like, the girl, them look so good. Them body shape and like, them must carve out a old from them look up in the place and know say, them a take life. That was one of my favorite poor man. And baby, when but them hearted, me no love jail. So when me a part Ian see this and Ian a part them man they me fall right under the wing right there so with them. You
Got you.
understand? So anyway, them a go me there too.
Mhm.
So if them hold the mic and them give me, I'm a DJ, I mash up the place. Enough time, Power give me the mic, I'm a DJ and no go on. That
Mhm.
before boom bye bye, no go on, and
Mhm.
he must say, yo, you're not ready yet.
Yeah.
In knowledge, I say, you're not ready yet. But the first night, him give me that time, me wallet and go, so it's like, boom, bye, bye. The man say, no, you're ready now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Him say,
Yeah.
yeah, you're ready now. You're
Yeah.
ready now. Yeah, him I want my top coach in the music. Enough things Power teach me. Yeah, man, Power man Power man, I one of the man will show me everything in the music industry. Poor man of the man will show me, say, yo, you need to go open my bank account. You need to sign up with this. You need to sign up with that. Power show me all of them things there. So, Baby Wayne, bad, bad DJ, one of the baddest DJ. When you build a tune, him have a line figure.
Okay.
I remember one time, we Bounty Killer have a tune that say, Kappa shot, remember me telling you just that here, though. And and I said, yo, DJ, bad enough, but it want a starting. And I say, what do you mean starting? They will say, like you say, from me papa, me got brother go run, like a river jala la come down. And for me, people, me come believe I blood, I go, hey, come on, the people life, I go done. Then you say, copper shot, you know?
So it's
Baby,
Baby Wayne that came up with that first part of the song.
yeah, but that way, yeah, Baby Wayne, but, in a request a long thing, like him, man, I part of said, I'm say laps coaches can be any and the back shot. Laps go for go make shit big. Like him give me them line the man. And the baddest DJ ever. You know, it's Shabba Cup DJ. None of them about to with them proclaim and none of them bad like Baby Wayne.
No, Wayne bad.
Joke. Oh, if this girl was squammy. And we are one time with the army. When I was park up the army city center. Yo. The baddest thing that I get trouble. Wicked man, hold them like that. And from the man blowing a show on the left. Yeah. And them man that wings to go up under. Yeah, them man that wings to go up under. So, anytime I know, the arrow school now. So, the Baby Wayne power man, Roundhead, Capleton the General Buju as usual. You have Screechy Jordan, you have Daddy's Crew, Terror Fabulous, Deli Ranks, me, Ninja Teeth, Judas, you know, Louis Culture, Great Gangali, Terror, you know, Spragga. All right, you know, them time, you know, when me find Boom Bye Bye. Spragga Benz was a selector, you know, for a sound named Lab Benz. But him love DJ business, him love it. And the same with him, you know, when I do Boom Bye Bye pan, you know, pan dub plate, you know. Spragga come do that to takes the pleasure, not the pain, tranquilize the body. And this song boss. And you gotta feel like the two. And watch this again. I'm gonna show you that rhythm, the other rhythm that was a gifted rhythm. Squiddly Ranks. Squiddly Ranks. Him go find a thing I say. And the ugly the girl and he died. And I do it for one general rhythm. I say, no, that not gonna come on the rhythm here. Deep on the rhythm here. And then deep on the rhythm and the song shot to. Then you have Major Mackerel come back to. And we have some Mackerel, that rhythm here. Miss Getty girl out, we go do that. You know, so everybody just a fine song, you know, and the vibe just right and we just happy.
And all of this is for Stone Love?
Get fit on them thing there, wholly perfect. Wholly perfect. But here what did happen now in the fit thing now. When we got fit, the artists them stand up on a pose like them want the girl them to come, you know, see them on side autograph. Me and I run them joke. You see, from me reach in the fit, I straight to the stage, take the mic, and mash up the whole place. Who want run on. Let me say, who want run on. From me, go there, me not stand up and wait for the MC call, nothing. Me just run, go straight and say, yo, who there? Have mercy, and the whole place. You understand? Mash up the place, let me done work. Who want work? Me go about my business, go on to the next fit again. You understand? We start get a whole heap of show, Teen Splash, everything. Every show, we start getting on and mash up everywhere. You know?
Stone Love had the big song, the two big songs for you, which was the Boom Bye Bye
big song
and Request a Long Thing.
That's a long thing. Yeah.
So did you, at these early parts in your career, did you voice any more songs for Stone Love or those were the only two?
Maybe write some more songs for people. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think I did voice. I think we voice another song. I don't remember it though, but I think I voice another song for him. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I voice another song. I think I need to voice a song with me and Admiral Bailey, but I never hear it yet.
Yeah.
I think so too. Yeah.
Yeah. And you weren't intending to do an album for Stone Love, or they were more singles and that was it at that time there?
I love single. I never ready for doing an album yet.
Mm-hmm.
Never ready for doing an album yet, you know.
Yeah.
We never plan it out that way there yet. We
Mm-hmm.
just have sing some song, you know, for get. Cause remember say, all of them song and request long thing and Mumbai by can't play upon radio, you know.
Mm-mm.
And them time them had the dancehall part of it and the radio part of it was rounded. I run every get. But girl about sway, like a big BG kite so that play upon the radio. Screw and Terror Fabulous. Big man have the money, so them are the boss, them are the song play upon radio every day. Me I really dance all. You understand? So me they say the hard road me I travel them time there. Till Terror say, yo kid, you need to read a song. See? So Terror say, come in man, I'll find two read a song, man. And write a song we say, where that drop mount a chat and we them can't stop. So we know we act clean, we jump up and clap. Yeah, me and Terror write that song, yeah. And then we write another one and say, I rather to be with the good body girls, them, than Jackie and Karen. Rather to be with the good body girls. No. See? And then soon they start play upon the radio now, you know, they have heard the song now. See? They have heard the song them time there and then me and Tata my voice that for Red Rose kind say, yo, come turn on that song there and come voice it for me. And my voice it for him. That it depend on rhythm around watch me jacuzzi, in a me jacuzzi. Me a me
The earthquake rhythm.
the earthquake. Yes.
Yes, man.
Yes. Zine. And then what am I find after that? Stone
When
Love.
did
The Stone Love. Jamming.
when did
Oh.
Beige Man come into the play?
Yeah, all BG one come and play now. Because a woman and vice a tune. No, I got fine.
Mm-hmm.
But they are New York, and Killer and Ricky Jenner Mega Banton. From Miami to New York, boom. Come back now, I come back a yard now. And I say, the PS hot down here, and the kid me say, what I mean? Me not gone for long. The PS hot. Anyway, me and Mega did up on the plane. Me, Mega, Jack Scorpio, and Ricky, we that fly come home. So me and Mega did on the plane, me and say, Mega, Buju say, Buju, body Buju, kill me, the Buju every day, son. And I say, yeah, man. Man, I see, man, I slide, man, I jump, man, I run. Y'all everybody, I like this one. Yeah, I say, yo, Mega, make me be like 2.5 for that, no, man. And I say, oh, where idea? And I say, y'all run and y'all ball and y'all not stop there. And if you say, Elam pour the house and we sing with third leg. More than them, I mean, we are DJ for Jack Scorpio. And Scorpio said, yo, me no like this slap me still, you know, but when you no reach down, you come vice it. Anyway, reach down, you don't know, Mega Gans and me Gans, because Mega mostly over Scorpio side and me and Arrows. Anyway, I reach at Arrows, Major Pete and Deli Ranks. I remember my boy them, you know. Flying and them I say, we have the acting boy and I say, we sang and I say, if you don't play one more tune, and I say, what? That's not bad. Good thing that I say, come, I can't go arcade and christen up. Yeah. What you want? Clarks? Sneakers? Take up one one. I remember a Ninja Kid this. Poor man. And poor man see me and put me and poor man go say, heel whatever. One time, me heel power in and him big ring them, kind of broke my finger in it. So them go say no.
Yeah.
I say, tell you one day that I hear cling, cling. Yeah. Poor give me bully for money before my boss, me give him back money. You see him? Me give him back money. We go say no, bam now. And bam now and Deli now. Anyway, them are gonna do the tune pan dub and BH man do the intro. Every time I say BH man now, I do the intro for Ninja Teeth and Deli. So boy, if you play one more tune, it's okay. So me say, when them done do it, I call him and say, you can DJ another voice there? Because Cat, me know him as. He was a DJ like, Major Worries. Yeah, man, you allow me respond, yeah, I saw him DJ. So, I say, you can DJ another voice there? And he said, we are talk about kid, man. Yeah, I can DJ in that voice. And then I said, all right, listen this. Girl a run and girl a ball and girl not stop beg. And the man said, boy, I can try to see when we sink on the third leg. When the man said that, remember them said the pace hot, you know. That is them tell me that Ninja Tita and Deli said the pace hot, you know. So when the man said, but I can try to see when we sink in the third leg, he said, forward. And get the frog with him. Remember, take off. I say, I wish pace hot. I wish pace hot. You understand?
Came back.
And came back wicked from them again and tell them to buy a Acura Integra. And I drive the Integra going on Jammies. And I drive it going on Jammies and Jammies see it and say, are you a car that time? I say, yeah, man. The man said, no, man, come voice a tune for me, man. I run the Punani rhythm. I run the Punani rhythm now. I listen to it, think of me, Josie Whale, and Killer them the round there. Me as a Killer have the bad tune on the rhythm. A Killer voice a song with me, who gun big shot, bad boy, you burst. And I said, blow me there, listen to it, and then I say, hey, I find something, man, and I'm going to bloom. I say, hardcore loving, that's how much you need, effective and nice, it makes you proceed. Record that. Yeah. And then him give me the answer with him. And poor man, they give me a song when him, them a clean gun, my voice that on it, and the answer, and then me just go away. I don't even take $1 from Jam, I just drive, go away. But me always get money from Jammies. So, you know, and I nothing. And then time, you know, boom, me I fly up and down, do show up and down, same way. Still a record. Some of the songs them not release. Still a record. Superpower. Right, my record for them. 9 now, same want an album. So me I do the album, I reach about 7 songs and can't sit down money. No money now come with me, I record every day. So. And I said, so what happened to the piece of food? I said, yeah, man, it go come and leave. I just stop. See me I say, fly out on there and New York. Go and do some show, you know. I tour the place and you know, it's a tour of America. Just I go and eat some food and tour the place. Left New York and they're Miami with my father now. Understand? New ground. So when they're Miami, we are toured the whole of Florida, same way. They know America big.
So, okay, so this time you left Jamaica to basically migrate to the US.
US, yeah.
And what year we're talking about here?
It's about 95. 94, 95.
And you boss, and what year did you boss in the business?
92 to 93.
Okay, so you had about this time, you had about 2 to 3 years under your belt already as a boss artist.
Yeah.
Then you're in the States now. You went to New York. You're doing your thing. Then you moved down to Miami now. And
thing with my, you know, that's there. Then I go on, you know, do some show, couple show, and everybody I say, yo, man, go back to Jamaica, man, and I say, yo, them too wicked in the business, too wicked, you know. Because them time, you know, nobody now tell you who them a vice now, you know. I'm on here already gone about in business and, you know, what heap of things to it, man.
Things started to change at the time here.
Yeah, man, I don't go record song and, you know.
Okay.
So meanwhile, sometimes I record them.
Let me ask you this before you finish up with the Miami and New York. This time here you left, and Dave Kelly was just forming the Madhouse crew. Were you ever able to get to be a part of that, or you were gone by the time they started to form the crew?
No, man, when I'm at school, I found my dad Jamaica, man. But
Hmm.
them not gonna take me in my house.
How come?
Because remember, me steal a song.
Yes.
Them time the Dave no want see me. Dave no want see me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dave no want see me, but you don't know, nobody never let to it still. But
Hmm.
you know,
Yeah.
you don't want see me. So I'm really push up, you know,
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
know, for going on a crew, nah, in a gang. Cause poor man, when I time poor man, all right, Mansa Shack, you know. Mansa Shack would have be all the way down at arrows, you know.
Hmm.
But three man segregate themselves. And General B, Ronald, Ghost.
Hmm.
Them not space the Sabbath, them not space the Ninja Kid, them not space the Power Man.
Hmm.
Power Man could have been like crew, me, him and Saba, or me, him and Delhi, but nah. And when I tell Power Man and Delhi, I saw two of them apart straight. So some
Power
people they
and
think
yeah.
it's a crew to one at a time, you understand?
Hmm.
Yeah. I know.
Hmm. Okay, so then all of
But
this is going
the crew
on.
thing, it wouldn't work.
Yeah. The business started to change. So then you left. You went to New York. You were how long were you in New York before you got to Miami?
But I hear,
About a year. Okay, so it wasn't too long then.
nah,
Yeah.
but I hear,
Hmm.
and then they are Miami,
Hmm.
and they are Miami, and I'm there Miami now, man. My father, enough man that come and say, yo, DJ, I want to go back a yard, go find some tune, man, and do some things, man. And I say, all right,
Hmm.
there. All this time now, the music change.
Hmm.
Some things me just me skip me skip whole heap of things. Because when they are Miami now, no, me there New York, you see it? New York me there now. Bounty Killer and the man same way. Him and Beenie man. Cause Beenie, me never give me and Beenie history, you know. Cause me and Beenie have history too, you know.
Oh, we're gonna need that before we get. I put that in my mind. Beanie man, I got it. I got it. Continue.
Me and Beenie have history. Me
Hmm.
and Beenie have whole heap of history. Cause me call and Beenie pan show and Beenie call me and back pan show. Cause me carry Beenie and my nanny in my place, make people know him. You understand? As a man that carry me go all Boto, Waterhouse and then place there. You know?
Hmm.
So me and Beenie have history.
Hmm.
You understand? Me and who is that? So Beenie and Bounty Killer now. A desert music reach now.
Yeah.
Everybody just wants to Beenie and Killer. No matter who and who they sing some song, a Beenie and
Hmm.
Killer the music there now. You understand? So for the artists them was there and a Beenie and Killer. Cause for years a Beenie and Killer like the show them.
Yeah.
Anyway, Killer have form a little crew now with the youth them now. Cause remember Arita that for boss from my time, you know.
From the earlier '90s part. Yes,
Arita that
you're
for
right.
boss, yes.
Hmm.
Because Arita that really be able to pick me, you know. Cause so
Okay.
Arita that DJ like be able to you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So
Hmm.
Toddler did for bus from them time there. Anyway, them was on a boom and bill crew, scare them crew.
Hmm.
You understand? Anyway, me there fine now and but then when me look, me see Harry Toddler jump out of a car, out of a taxi. And I say, Toddler, Allah. Boom down my always there fine still.
Hmm.
Coachy, elephant, determined. So the way I'm glad to see them. The way I'm glad to see them, I say, yo, what go on? And then jacket, two of me frightened. Let me take out my big ring off of my finger and put it on heart and that. Take off my bracelet and say, what is my G? I give Ellie that and give the terminal watch. Boom down in my tire. To believe my parents, so just give my money. Cut it to me, just give my money. But I was so glad to see them, you understand? Because them reach America. You know what I say? Yeah. And then, but Elephant, you see, out of the crew of them, Elephant did a play upon at 97 before the whole of them. It's not a song did I play for him, you know.
Yeah.
Just a thing when him murder the boy. Everybody want to know who do that.
Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
Everybody want to know who their friend and say, who do that? Murder the boy! Murder the boy! Every job in the at 97 and play, understand? Anyway, don't know. Them dead and I say, yo, kid, come back to Jamaica, man. And I say, all right, I soon come back. Boom. And then them go home. And them go home. Yeah, them couldn't, here's the toddler can't come back or some little foolishness go on. You know? Kind of hurt me because toddler, yeah. Brethren. They are Miami now. Jigsy King come tell me, say, yo, you remember one little DJ where you used to drive around with? I said, oh. I said, one DJ in name Sizzler. I said, yo, I don't know nobody named Sizzler, man. I said, yeah, man, you're virgin, man, you used to drive him around, man. But, you know, to me, I can't remember, you understand? And you know, they are Miami, and then come do a show, and I see him. And then say, Jokey. And I say, liquor one, a Eunice is like. I say, Eunice is like, say, yeah, man, I want to have me around the whole place, man, if I come back a yard, man. Everybody see me and tell me, yo, come back a yard, come back a yard. Anyway, me and him there have a reason. You know, them time them have a whole heap of song, Black Woman, and them song they mash up the whole of friend.
Okay.
Elephant now, same way, he mash up the place too. You know, he man a whole heap of them mash up the place. Every time them come and friend and me, them link up a par and then, you know, them gone home left me. So one of them there now, I say, it's all right. Me I go to Jamaica. Come home back now, me there. Write tune, build some tune with him, man. You know, then I do some combination to and thing, and I try work back my way in. Elephant not left me. Anyway, him not left me.
Yeah.
It's a kid rare. You understand? Any tour, anything. You understand? Sizzler, same thing, Sizzler say, yo, me I go on tour and you forward me with me and go on tour with Sizzler too. You understand? What you putting to it, man?
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Before we get into all of this Elephant Man saga, the Sizzler saga and stuff, we need to back up a little bit more because there's a couple of stuff we skipped out there, all right? So then you start where we need to start from, and then we'll take it from there, and then we're going to go back down into the Elephant Man and Sizzler situation.
All right. Well, and tell us now, when Boom Bye Bye just kicked off, that was the first song where start make people know me. See? We used to hang out at one hotel over Solarfield. I don't remember the name again. Central Court. Yeah, Central Court Hotel. So you see that hotel there now, Ian Sweetness, Power Man, and Baby Wayne. Them control the hotel there. You understand? But them and Ninja Kid apart. So you see if them go to Boom and Ghana country, me, more time me not go because the money them get to go a country, go do show. And if a man can't give me a thing, me not go nowhere. You understand? Me have to get something because me shot now. Me have a song now. You understand? So anyway, I'm there at the hotel one night. They're in a room with a, yeah, I think I'm a second baby mama, yeah. My second son mother. And they're in a room, they know I watch some TV and thing, and I only hear the door, nah, boom, 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 boom. I'm say, who that? and he's a virgin from Swallowfield. Say, Ninja Kid, you have your passport? I say, yeah, man, me have passport, man. Man say, yo, tomorrow, you go to Cayman. I say, Cayman? What do you mean? Man say, yeah, man, because guess what? The show over there with Ian Sweetness, Ranks, and let me Apache Scratchy, and Apache Scratchy take the people the money and them now get them, now get him. So you have to go fill in for Apache Scratchy. So me I say, fill in, so me now get the money. Man say, yeah, man, I got money for you tomorrow, man. So I go home and I tell my auntie, I go to Cayman, you know. I go to Cayman because I get a show. And she said, sure. I say, auntie, me tell me a DJ. She said, stop tell me foolishness, boy, you're a DJ, this. Anyway, the man come check me and give me 10 grand. I go down an arcade and buy a cross-color suit. I think about 4 grand, I pay for a cross-color suit there. And sneakers. I spend about 8 grand. Yeah, and then I go so boom and put it on and come up and pack my little bag. Airport. When we reach our airport now, I see Ian Seat. I say, yeah, come and Cayman too. And say, yeah, them say, no, the ranks, no, wait name there. No, the ranks. Apache Scratchy say, nah, go and one bag of things, so them make me fill the gap. Now the ranks come in, now the ranks, them both seen in the demons walk. Come in at the airport and see me and say, you fly? Remember me, I tell you this. From your flight today, you can't stop fly from plane. That the man tell me, you know. And then I say, come youth. You're going to mash up over so. And you lift up in the sky, Mr. So I look and say, yes, this is life. In a plane, you know. Oh, nobody can tell me that me boss now, you know, because I'm there for a plane. All right. Still, I reach a Ladina Cayman now. Promote everything, come on. The nice greetings and nada them and Ian Stay Soccer. Them man, they have the song, them, you know. I'm going to see a song there and I say, I invite a little you, I name Ninja Kid. You know? And I say, what? I get little recognition. Cool. Zoo. Radio station first, interview. Big up one for big up and tell them to me there. DJ my song. I think Boom Bye Bye request a long thing. My DJ, no, not request a long thing. Request a long thing never voice it. Boom Bye Bye and you know, some little thing made us a DJ, but a Boom Bye Bye the song. Anyway, we left that so go and we get some food and then we go to the promoter house. See? It's a wicked incident, you know, man. Listen, you know, just listen to the whole story, you know. Go to the promoter house, get to meet his mother, families, rare, boom. Hotel. Big, nice hotel. And I said, whoa, I got a big room for myself. Boy, them dead. You know? They enjoy the day. Go play a pool and them something there, you know? To promote the show same way. Yeah, man, tomorrow night. All right, boom, there. Show day now. Clean up everything and say, yeah, we're ready for this. We're ready for that show, you know. Boom. Trash out Chris. Because we get close and reach over there. Yeah, we're going to buy clothes too. Yeah, we're going to buy here. So, clean and stay, so I'm a short set, pull over. You know? I wouldn't say, oh, pull over. Anyway, pull over and thing and stay, so boom. Anyway, we're there at the show now. Me and the promoter say, Ian Sweetness, then other ranks, then Ninja Kid. Me say, Ninja Kid, yeah, you that must me open the show now one song me have on an arm. I say, hear them and I say, well, the one song you have is You Have to Go Closer because that song is the biggest song in Kid. I say, you're mad. Yeah. But when me there the radio station, I should have known, you know. Say, yo, how them a play it so I pull it up every minute, you know? But me now pre that the mic up, me I say, I want song. But then man, the promoter said, me have to close the show. Me say, close the show, you're mad. Now the rounds with Bleach and the whole of them bad song there. Ian Sweeney is the first real love on them song there. Oh, me for go close show. Anyway, it did them dead there and them say, and say Ian Sweeney and Ian sing and mash up the whole place. Nah, they went now they go out there and tell us now they burn down. They ma bleach. The man burn down the way. Chimble me a chimble backstage now. Come here and say, jeez, what me I gonna do? What the hell I'm gonna do? Anyway, them say, who you been waiting for? The girl them start scream. I say scream. Oh, scream coming out my thing. Are you ready for the artist? That if you're the someone there, wait for Ninja King. And brother drop the punani with him. I just see when me even itching up. Me just say, oh no, boom, 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 boom. All right, believe me. Believe me. At the first, me see girl I drop, and that's the first time me get dropped on stage and them something there. Then I said, no, I murder this name up. Mash up the show, yo. My DJ, remember the lyrics I'm going to tell about with me and Teeth? Ninja Teeth? Yeah, them thing that me a DJ and mash up the place. You know what I say? And boom, bye. Yo. Anyway, show done. Good and great. And you don't know after show, after party, everything good. But when they're the after party, I can't see the promoter. We're supposed to get another piece of food. See? I not get it. He's a man at some stay with money. So I say, yo, Ian, I'm not getting the money yet. I said, no, my promoter said tomorrow I'll link at the hotel, man. I said, all right. This was like, the show was Saturday. Yeah. Sunday. No promoter. You have to check out Monday morning. Monday come, no promoter. And that come with hungriness. Because remember, we have no money. You understand? We're not getting no money or nothing like that. You understand? So me I say, because I'm supposed to bring the per diem, come give you that, you know, from Sunday night. No. So me I say, what is? Would they and the people them and say, when we're checking out, and I say, when they're checking out, the promoter will be trying to get to him and can't get him either. They and me and say, what is for me? All right, when I tell real hungry take me. Real hungry. And I said, no, this can't good enough. And he and another them lock up in them room. Nah, come out. Because if them come out, the door got lock on them and one bag of thing. Me go some pull. I think at the bathroom window I pull. If anything, because it's on a flat. If anything, I can jump through it, but go in if them lock the door. If the key not work. Anyway, I'm there outside so long and me I say, yo, kid, you no fool, you know. Came on look like Kingston. Like Kingston, came on even come like it littler than Kingston to me. Me remember where him did carry me.
Yeah.
Me walk from the hotel. And I walk and I remember the street, them. As I live at something, I tell you where I real something, you know. I remember the street, them and walk. It would be like the walk we make from 3 miles to Elsha, to Fort Carrets. You understand? Bridging, me find the yard and walk go the yard and go up on the door. Be stress, you know, in that beat, you know. Boom. When me look, my mother, when me introduce me to, come up by the door. I said, Mommy, where you saw the promoter, where your son there? You know that Devon, and Devon, I never forget this. You know that Devon gone to Miami, gone to Florida, from the morning after the show, the man fly out, you know. I said, Mommy, listen to me. Hungry kill me. I can't have a talk. Mommy, We there at the hotel, the people, them lock we out of the... And she said, my son, come in, come sit down right there, sir. She give me something for drink. I get something to eat. And meanwhile, me I drink and I eat, I water run out of my eye. Because I love balling. I tell you the truth, this a baller. Real baller. They were ball. Boom, she give me the... And there, until me see she goes and go in her room and come back out. She give me $800 Cayman in 1992. That happened. $800 Cayman. What heap of money, you know?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
All right. They get the $800 Cayman and she call a taxi and put me on it, go to the hotel. So you know me, you got the hotel, you got to see me. Let's go to the line, like nothing not go on. Because they would have never make that walk with me.
Yeah.
They will never, I see them down there hungry, but they will never make that walk with me. I'm going to go lie down, go in a room, go lie down. Because the hotel even, you know, them give you the chance, because they know that we are leave the Monday. I can't make her even, because them time they are litter. A litter was a manager. I never make him know say me they lift up on him to him not know nothing. Nobody knows say me fly but my auntie.
Okay.
You understand? And when we reach back at Jamaica, I'm going to say boom again down at arcade. Come now, make me thing look lily. Down at arcade, clean. Go home, throw the money upon the bed. And say, auntie, me see it there, and this me get. She said, all right, put it there, so. Make sure DJ, you know, and I rub. Me say, come on, man, stop your foolishness, man. Boom, reach a studio, one of arrows and stay so. And my flyer just flying. Yo, kid, the mash up here, man. Ray, you are gone. When me say the promoter run with the money. I say, yeah, but I'm good. Me eat a food, me all right, man. I'm good. And a little reason out, so me a little of their reason. Little say, my youth, you can't do them things there, no, because guess what? Some brethren come from England and want you on a tour over there. So in them time, they know, request a long thing on them song there, drop. You know, some song drop. So I think I bubble up now, you know what I say? And I say, what? I never even know to request a long thing release at England them time there. Boom, bye bye. Enough song release at England. Same body basic. Them say release at England. So anyway, I say England tour I come up and I say, all right. Who them book. And him say, you, Jigsy King, Tony Curtis, Terry Ganzi, and the headliner, Garnett Silk.
Yes.
I said, so how much money you charge them for that tour there? How much show? It was about 8 show. So I said, how much you charge to the 8 show? And tell me straight up, say, may I get bought £1,000 a show? It's £1,000 a show. All right. Half of the £1,000 a show in tech. I think in tech. I want to tell you a line. Him take a money, but him not go fly with me. A Patrick Birds, they make come collect my money.
Okay.
He has a Patrick from Shocking Vibes. Yeah. Because later, him never want to go fly. So him say, Patrick I go collect my money. Anyway, I'm dead. Now boom, I said big tour, boom. Reach England. Yo, man, one of the best tour till it turn misery. Anyway. Boom, reach England now and everything nice. Because you don't know. You bust now, because you see who me a tour with. Be a top artist. All right. First show, Terganzi open. Sha-la-la-la-la, welcome there. Shell it down to nothing. That give me a big energy and a big voice. Ninja Kid run out. Shell it down, shell it down to nothing. Jigsy King Tony Curtis. Shell it down. Then come the artist General Garnett Silk Star. Yo, Garnett, I'm gonna tell you something. Yo, Garnett is the most spiritual man on earth. You don't know all them man that's gone, so believe me. It's hard to believe. Maybe he too spiritual. Make him just pass away. So may I tell you the truth. Anyway, then till the man them start change up the set now, call them and say, all right, here we are gonna do. Gonna make you work 10 Garnet Silk.
Huh?
See, yeah, because Boom Bye Bye was the number 3 song in England and Garnet was 1 and 2.
So it made sense then.
Yes. You understand? Jigsy Kingdom have had songs, him and Tony Curtis. Terganzi have had songs, but me I tell you, me, Boom Bye Bye number 3 on the chart. See, I remember me have request a long thing, me have hardcore loving, me have Gala Run and Gala, but me have whole heap of song. Talk about, I rather whole heap of song me have over there. See me I say? So, but the 5th show now, States a boom man. Come here talk about everywhere in England with us I go places. You know? One night time, me there, Garnett, nah eat nothing. Because him can't get nothing for where him. So more time I just crackers me see him with. You understand? Those crackers in my eat and more time me and him sit down and reason. And after the 5th show, when after the 5th show, me and him sit down and what a reason, and I say, kid, come here, Banga. Because Banga, them call me. Because Garnett manager was a part of 12 Tribe of Israel, where my father was a firstborn member of that too, right? Me a 12 Tribe pitney too, you know. Me have my Jews book and everything.
Okay.
Anyway, Garnett got a boom and say, forward. And then him in the room and him give me a reason. And him say, you have to stop DJ them only for slack something them here come out of your mouth. You know? Because every time you done work and me I go on stage and it's be a slack this you sing. You need to start DJ some culture song. And me I say, yeah, but you done. And me go do an interview to and say, slack this little day, me die. Me remember me said that on an interview and him be there too when me say it. And he must say, yo, from there say, I pre me. I must say, no, you're Rasta pitney. But as a youth, them time they are say, hey, at least I swing, you know. I mean, I go like me, I tell you, say, Ray, me I say, in my say, at least I swing, and I start sing them type of song, yeah. You understand? Culture song, I feel, uno. Me I go come in now on the league, and then uno go talk about say, you the dirty mouth boy, I try turn dread pan. You know how them people are still in the music industry. We soon got to them too. Anyway, we got some bomb now one night now. About the 7th show. Now because that show I keep in a Brixton. I think that was the biggest venue or the biggest show of all or the show of them.
Yeah.
Because the crowd it'll ram. I think in a Brixton Academy. I saw the place there.
Yeah.
Yeah. In a big I mean I tell us in there I see and the night and a big batty Angela. No. But me see a whole heap of Jamaican people that night there. And be at them and say, yo, Ninja Kid, are you there to see? And Ray. And me I tell us, I mash up in them, I flat in there. Them we run off and them say more. Them say more. And me just kill them. Because I tease them with Boom Bye Bye, you know, man. Cause
Okay.
that the last song before me leave stage. That's the last song me I go sing. And me I tell them, me I tease them. I run off. I say some things and I run off. And when I tell me run off, a man grab me. And me look at Garnett. Hold me and say, one thing, man. Me not tell you, I say, for the level them slap me, something them, man, and believe me. See the man, I shake my hands up. Me feel. Nobody can tell me something the Holy Ghost me feeling and me run through me. Shake. And then they put more and them say, what you say, man, jacket? And the man just hold on for me saying, and then just I let me go. And I run out back. And start DJ boom, bye, girl. And sing, and the people remember her sing. And one time, one girl just skin out and say, yo. And I said, where I say? I said, you let me come for myself. And I said, what? Serious in that. Woman said, let me make come for herself. And be sitting there, me, I said, look, oh, me a dirty up the stage and the Rasta company. Believe me, girl is a broke up, girl be things. I'm going to go say, boom, and finish work and come off. I'm going to finish work and come off. The man just and that's look for me and say, watch I'm going to shame me tonight. That Garnett said to me, you know, me going to shame you tonight. Watch. And when them say, what are you ready? Me can't move in a call man say, shame me tonight. So me I stand up and say, I wear me like a shame me within her. So me stand up and stay so I look. And them say, Garnett say. And I'm run down every rhythm. And then him say, Rastafari, ja. And place there so a shell and the man just walk out and say, tonight I'm gonna give you a different segment, a different type of Garnett still. Hey, everyone is gonna love this. Choo choo, you never forget this. The Lionheart is united and high. The man said, Ninja Kid, listen up people DJ. Well, one problem, one of these and two, don't slap DJ, uno soft like porridge, and the whole show.
Yeah.
All right, you see, from the man do that, me can't move. Remember, me can't go when me forgot go take off or dry off or me just stand up on the stage and I say, oh, what kind of judgment this a reach me? That me I say to myself, you know, and the man mash up the place, and mash up the place, and when him go and say, when here, hello, Mama Africa. And the whole place are singing, hello, and me start singing, kind of a song. How are you? I'm feeling fine. And I know, and then they say, hey, Mama Africa, bye. And the whole place are tearing up. Watch me, I get up out of the interview. The whole place are tearing up, and they walk off, and when they walk off, I mean, yes, I got sisters and sisters, and the man as well on me and say, hello, and the whole paper shell down there, I said, like I look at me, I said, look out there, shell down. Remember them not seeing me, no? Nobody out there not seeing him in it, but that's it, it's reach, you know. Hear that, hello, like about tease me, and then young here, putum, and the rhythm change, and the man just stop. Right in front of me. Say my daddy was a good old man and drop the mic. The rhythm changed and the man just say my daddy and drop the mic and the whole out there. The pan Garnett. And them say, see, so may I tell you, see how people work try down DJ one slackness and the whole out there mash up. What hear them? Garnett Macaulay here. I'm gonna give me some water there. And then give me my bucket of water and just go out there. Oh, mama, you can depend on me now. All right, believe me. That night, them I left him. And me and him, I done proper by everything. Reach out to him, dead. Anyway, the promotion cool. People that held the event, they were there and the whole of we good, right? The whole of we good. The whole of go, the promotion crew, and you don't know, you have some members of the promotion crew. But the last show, this is the 8th show, because 8th show we have. But you see, the last show now belongs to some African. The African them get a big place where them a keep for them show. Them would have make the amount of money that them would have make 3 of the show them, but the other people them keep, yeah. And that money them would have make.
Yeah.
The African them to the place where them a carry away. Anyway, we're there at the hotel. I tell you, we're there at the hotel and me and Garnett there and me I say, Garnett, me I go down in my room, So when me go to boom and come out of the room, me see some of the man them where we are partying in the lobby. So me I say, what go on? And I say, yeah, deal kid, everything good. And I say, yeah, man, what you chat about? I want everything good. I look at the room and me I go. Boom, me reach on the room. Because I don't know, we have to go get up for the next show. And that's how the African them are keep. And the whole day we there. We there and I notice we there see, one look of bad energy in the air. And then get up and go link Tergans and me and Tergans in the room. A reason. I say, Ganzi, the place look tense to you. I say, real talk, say the place look tense talk. I don't know what going on, something go on.
Yeah.
I don't see Garnett. From morning, I don't see Garnett. You understand? I don't know if I'm in my room now, I'm just not see him. I don't see, when Barefoot Bridge name is a pirate name. That man there, we are barefoot right through England and England coal and the man a motor, his name. Rochester.
Okay.
Him right enough for Garnett and them.
Okay.
And him and Garnett we always sit together. So I don't see him. And I don't see Auntie Bridget, because she's a 12 tribe and she was Garnett manager. I don't see none of them. Because you don't see them, when we make walk down at the lobby and so I said, this don't look good. And we link up with Jigs them and I say, oh, I'll go on and Jigs. I said, everything good me there, I'm going to shot some dub in the idea, And I say, all right, who wants some dub? And I say, one brother, they don't have one student down there, so we go down there. Anyway, the 4 hours go down there. Me, Tony Curtis, Jigs the King, Terry Gansey. I show you how bad energy stay. I reach down at the studio. See a brother in a one tall coat with a hat, with him like a felt.
Yeah.
I must say, yo, me name Ray. Me name such man and me run the place and I want 4-4 tune from him. But the way I look, I got money on this. If you want 4-4, it's like from the whole of it, we'll be it. So I say, listen, uncle, I nah run down nothing, Just give me 150 pounds and phone and mic song them, I'm good. I must say, where I talk about DJ, me have your man. Zine. Anyway, I sing my 4 song, Tergans, sing film 4 song, Tony Curtis and Jigsy. Yeah, 4 song each, but combination to unite, So, we did know and I say, Uncle Wago now. The man goes and sit down some. I never forget how him sit down so him cheer and goes up. And the biggest 45 that I ever seen in a life. And goes and rest it on the table. So the man pop it up, Mr. Curtis goes up. And the man say, yo, no, me not left. Buju Banton said, me not left, then I left my big gun under them bed. That exactly that the man say, and put it on the table and I said, well, I'm told him I have money for good, I kill me, I want to kill me. He said, I kill me. Tell God, he goes, shit. Tony Curtis goes, shit. I'm going to go like me, I got to move, I'm going to say, Jigsy goes on. And I said, nah, I run left Jigsy, because Jigsy now move. So I say, yo, Jigsy say, yo, big man, what kind of idiot thing that brother, you could sing out over when I come to England for that, We have a pitney them and our people them to take care right now. Big man. And me I say, Jigsy, loud that no man come in, no man virgin in this. And me only hear when them say, John, no youth, I rate you. That man said to Jigsy, man say, yo, I rate you. You're serious towards your thing. And from him say something, let's draw closer. Because my sister have money in my go for now. Anyway, if take out about $800. Or $800 if take out and Jigsy goes a boom and say, yo, give Terry Gansey 2. May I give Curtis 2. You know? And we just split it up. And come back and I said, Channel judgment. Anyway, we reach by the hotel now, fresh up, head to the African shows. When we reach the African show now, crowd black. I said that we are gonna be the nicest show. Seeing car, this is the last show. So we done say when everybody done perform and Garnett perform, the whole we are gonna go back on stage and sing even one love or one of them song there. For everybody know say, yeah, we love the tour and we love the vibe. Our last show already. Boom. Terry Gansey work. Jigsy King and Tony Curtis work. Then them send for me, me perform now. And me and perform and run off. I go on stage about 6 times. And I say, what is? This is overdo it, Mine, I don't make the people them kill me, I say, I Garnett time now. And that me I say, And Patrick said, don't go out there back. I'm going to go to boom and stand up. And them I say, Garnett. So the African them now, me start see the African them get away now backstage. And I say, yo, man, them are talking in some different type of language. So me I say, Cool now, me say go so grab Tony Curtis and Jigsy and head upstairs. And me run back at them. So I mean I say, I go and Tony Cole say, kid, if you know where you do, come with me, cause I be a contract I got bus in here, and man I got dead. And me say, what is the problem or what? You say, the promoter them for the first show, hold on and kidnap Garnett Silk and say, nah, come to the show. We say, what? I say, what you say? Man say, yes. Come. Anyway, we reach up on one stage, cause out this battle start fling, be a thing I go on out there now. And I say, what is? Show a mash up me, gunshot out the front. Cole goes on and kick one door. When he kick one door and we look, one little stairs. But you see the stairs, it stop right, like it does stop at the first floor.
Yeah.
Like say it's a 5th floor place. The stairs stop right up on the second level. So I jump, we have to go jump down. And we don't know how we are going to jump off of that. And I say, what is? Boom, anyway we get down. Me don't know, but we get down. Man jump and ray and we get down and move to some vehicle and make some people drop where the hotel. We stay right beside Liverpool Stadium. The hotel right beside Liverpool Stadium we stay. So we reach there, sir. That means tell the person where I drive. Just drop me right at Liverpool Stadium and say, okay. And then drop me off there. And when we drop off there and reach the hotel now, me bum me in a bad now, come in and know where I go on. Boom, reach upstairs, me see people are shift up. And I go in my room, pack up my bag. This is a morning, And guess what we for there now? Airport,
Airport. Yes.
Yeah. Because tour done, airport. So me just rush go in my room, pick up when me I pick up. Me not change no clothes, nothing, just pushing everything and got a blue zip bag. Shoot, reach downstairs, boom, shot go airport. Me not see Garnett all now. When we see Garnett, before the flight lift up, we see my forward. And them come in and me and Terry Gansey sit down. And I look for him and I say, what go on? The man, Richard says, I never forget that man said. And a friend when I par with kidnap in a room with gun and them something, I said, friend, we are par with. What kind of argument that and the whole of we come to England together? We used to see a man them Same promoter them have we kidnapping a hotel and make we get to do the African them show and we not get the money and one. I said, Father God, who are these families, Jesus? Because you don't know, we did it apart with everybody.
For sure.
So we don't know say all of this is gonna happen. We don't know nothing like this gonna happen. You understand?
When the lion roars, oh, jungle trembles, I know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.